All right, here we go. Stinger 90 versus little Viper 90 action.
Viper 90. He says that I'm picking on the little guys.
Yeah, you picking on the little guys.
Well, we'll see.
We're about to see what that
All right.
Slinger can do.
All right, here we go. Up, up, and away. Wow.
Coming up, I'm going right. Coming left.
Nice. And they're off, folks.
Come on, Will. Don't let us down.
Yeah, Will. Stinger 90 is supposed to be faster. It's not, though.
Go.
Oh, here they go. Well, he's got his gear down, so we know he's not winning anything. Stinger 90 right there. That thing is fast. Viper 90 is still cruising. The Viper 90 is just smooth with it. All right, here we go. Which one's faster?